Hello everyone and welcome to my new YouTube channel. My name is Soumik Chakraborty and I'm excited to share my knowledge and insights on finance and wealth with all of you. Whether you are just starting out on your financial journey or you are a seasoned pro looking for new strategies and ideas, I'm here to help. On this channel, you'll find a wide range of content, including tips and tricks for budgeting and saving money, investing advice, and information on building wealth over time. I believe that financial freedom is within reach for everyone, regardless of your current situation. By learning the basics of personal finance and making smart decisions, you can take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. So, if you are ready to start building wealth, achieving financial freedom, and living the life you have always dreamed of, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I will be posting new videos every week, and I can't wait to share all of my knowledge and insights with you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.